How to tie a drop shot rig using a Palomar knot? First, thread the line. Start by running the line through the hook eye from the point side, then back through the eye in the opposite direction, creating a loop on one side of the hook. Second, tie the Palomar knot. Form a loop with the doubled line and tie an overhand knot, making sure the hook hangs loose. Pass the loop over the hook. Then pull both the main line and tag end to tighten the knot. Ensure the knot is snug against the hook eye. Third, secure the tag end. Run the tag end back through the hook eye from the point side once more. This helps the hook point always face up, improving presentation and hook up ratio. Then create a knot on the tag end and attach a drop shot weight with a line clip to complete the rig. Okay, all set. This is just one example of tying a drop shot rig. You might use a different method, but I think the way I just explained is pretty standard and is used by many anglers. Hello, this is Angler Waki. I am a Japanese fishing enthusiast based in the United States. In this video, I'll explain how to catch bass using a drop shot rig. I believe many of you have had success using a drop shot rig. I like this rig a lot. By the way, this rig is called a downshot rig in Japan. Not many Japanese anglers call this a drop shot rig there. Just FYI. Anyway, in this video, I use a Japanese soft lure. Issei Minnow flat, SAKANA. SAKANA means fish in Japanese. So, SAKANA stands for fish and fish. Look at this super unique shape. Now you understand why this lure is named SAKANA. Fish and fish, right? Cast and shake the line. The flat tail flutters in the water in a lively manner, which is sure to attract largemouth bass. You can glue the eyes if you want. You also can cut this lure in the middle and use the tail portion only as a super finesse bait. In my fishing footage, I rigged a drop shot with a small swivel. I like this setup since this mitigates the line twist. Less line trouble. Okay, let's check it out. Drop shot rig. Issei Minnow flat. SAKANA. Okay, let's go. Cast. Shake, 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 shake. Let's make a flat tail fluttering in water. Cast. Today I'm using my old tackle, Loomis IMX. Long time no use this rod. These days I have been using Kissler. So this rod has been in my garage for a long time. But today there's no big reason, but I decided to try this rod out. This is a great rod, Loomis IMX. I like this rod. Strong winds. I don't like strong winds. Since strong winds are a very annoying factor for this style of fishing, fitness style bass fishing. So many family anglers around. A busy day. I wanted to come fishing early morning, but I'm a dad, I'm a husband, so I cannot use my time based on only my vision. If family asks me something, run errand, do chores, there's no choice. I have to do that. So what I mean is, I missed the prime time for fishing. It's already late afternoon. I cannot see any bait fish around, but I can see so many rivals around. I had some spots in my mind, but all those spots are already occupied. I won't complain. It's first come, first serve. Let's focus. No bites. Come on. There's something. Should be bait fish school. Come on. Whew. Drop shot rig. I like this rig. I like. Okay. Got a bite. This bass? I'm not sure. Okay, it's bass. Okay, there we go. Yes! Minnow flat. SAKANA. Drop shot rig. Yes! Ooh, yeah. Yes! Issei, Largemouth, SAKANA. Whew! Bye bye. Yes, a drop shot rig. It's a great rig for bank angling. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and communities. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. More to come. See you in the next video. Bye bye.